shouting while running towards the living room. Cookie hungry, Minnie's ready, let's go, said happily. Stood in front of him. First break your train. How many times should I remind you that don't run on stairs, huh? Jimin looked at him. Titi Hangi, why did you come in between Minnie's way? Move aside, Minnie's going on very important mission. Trying to push him with his all the force but couldn't do that. T crossed arm. I think I asked something from Minnie, didn't I? Jimin crossed arm too. Didn't Minnie tell you so many times that Minnie can't walk? T. Oh yeah, how can I forget? Minnie was born with wheels instead of legs. Jimin fake laughed. Ha ha ha, very funny. Now move aside. Minnie is getting late. Ah! Where are you dragging Minnie? T pulled Jimin's back of the t-shirt and started dragging him. Minnie isn't going anywhere. Minnie will stay at home only. Jimin climbed on the couch and stood up. And why so? Why can't Minnie go anywhere? T looked at him. Because I'm saying. Jimin, who are you? Why would Minnie listen to you? Minnie will definitely go outside. Nobody can stop Minnie. T, see, you little one, stay in your limit. I'm your hang. You can't talk to me like this. Jimin, see, you big one. Minnie can talk whatever like Minnie wants. You can't stop Minnie. Don't forget, Minnie is the prince of the family, and if prince wants, then prince can cut off your tongue too, said like real prince. T, amazed to hear him. Oh really? If you are the prince, then I am the king of the family. Jimin, no, there is only one king, and that is Jinny Yangi, not you. T, okay then, I'm elder prince. Jimin, no, just like there is only one king, same there is only one prince, and that is Minnie. T, then who am I? Jimin, you are nothing. We brought you from the dustbin. T widened his eyes. What? I'm elder than Cook. If anyone came from dustbin, then he is not me. Jimin, no, Minnie's Cookie Angie is so sweet. Minnie won't listen any word against him. T clapped. Wow, we both are twins and you only love your Cookie Hangi, not Titi Hangi. Jimin, because Titi Hangi came from dustbin na and Minnie is from royal family, then how can Minnie love Titi Hangi? T, you brat, I'm not from dustbin, I'm also the part of the family. T, no, Titi Hangi came from dustbin, started running here and there. T ran behind to catch him. You brat, just wait. Jimin, a boy who came from dustbin can't catch Royal Minnie. T, by your small feet, how much fast you can run? Jimin, more than the dustbin boy thinks. T, you just wait, then let me tell you what can a dustbin boy do? Jimin, see, you yourself accepted that you were dustbin boy. Finally, he caught Jimin by using his big body and long legs. Our Minnie is small now. He can't run fast by his baby feet. T held his ear tightly and twisted it. Jimin started shouting his lungs out. Jimin screamed his lungs out. Ah! T twisted his ear more tightly. Now dare to call me dustbin boy again? Jimin, Cookie Hangi, save Minnie, ah! Cook came there. You both can't stay together without fighting with each other, na? All the time you both just bickering with each other. I don't know why. Only I am stuck in between you two. One day you two make me mad. Jimin, Cookie Hangi, you can scold Titi Hangi later too, but first tell him to leave Minnie's ear. It hurts him a lot. Cook noticed his ear. T, have you gone a mad? Leave his ear right now. T, no, first tell him to say sorry to me. Jimin, see, Cookie Hangi is taking the advantage of being elder and bully poor Minnie. T twisted his ear even more hardly. What did you say? Huh? Repeat it. Jimin, ah! Cook, went near him and freed his ear. T, stay in your limits, don't forget, he is our little baby. Looked at his ear. See how red his ear turned. You are so careless, T. Started rubbing his ear. T, why are you scolding me? He is the one who called me dustbin boy. Why aren't you saying anything to him? Cook, T, he's a baby. He was only teasing you. Just by saying this, you can't become a dustbin boy. He's a kid. You are elder. You should behave maturely. Now see, what did you do? You don't have any control over your parts. You shouldn't throw your hands like this. It's good that I am here. If any hands see you like this, then they won't leave you. T looked at Jimmy's red ears. I didn't want to hurt him. It was unintentionally. Cook, I know, T. That's why I'm telling you to control over your hands. You are so powerful. Jimin ran to somewhere. Minnie, where are you going? Come here. See, you again made him sad. Now he will cry a ton. Held his head by his hands. T poked his right index finger in Cook's arm. Coco, are you still angry on your TT? Cook glared at him. Okay, sorry, nah. Now quickly forgive TT. TT won't do this again, please. Cook melted to hear his please. You're too dramatic, TT. Now I got from whom Minnie got this emotional blackmailing talent. T, so you mean I'm your family members, not a dustbin boy, right? Cook hit him from the cushion. Yes, you are dustbin boy. Ew. They both were talking with each other. Suddenly T noticed Jimin was holding two big bags and walking outside. T, deep voice. Stop. Where are you going? Jimin stopped at his place and didn't look at him. Minnie is going outside. Minnie doesn't want to talk with the dustbin boy. Again he started walking. Cook went to him. Minnie, baby, where are you going? Jimin, Minnie is going where Minnie was supposed to go before. Cookie Angie is busy with talking with dustbin boy. Nah, it's okay. Minnie will go alone by Minnie's bicycle. Minnie doesn't need anyone. Minnie is a big boy. Nah. Again started walking. Cook held his hand. Cookie Angie, sorry. Cookie Angie will come with Minnie. Took the bags from his hand. Minnie shouldn't carry these heavy bags. Minnie is a prince, na? Jimin, oh yeah, Minnie is the prince. And prince never carry anything. Looked at T. And you dustbin boy, go and bring another bag from the kitchen. The prince of the family is getting late. Said orderly and happily went outside. T looked at Cook. See, he again started teasing me. Cook, let's do what is he saying fast. It's the order of prince of the family. Left. Time skipped. After some times, women Cook came to their company. Cook was parking the car and T was taking the bags out of the car. Minnie ran inside the company while holding a small bag. Jimin looked at the interior. Wow, it's so huge and beautiful. I didn't know our company is this much beautiful. This is lots of place for running. Here Minnie can play hide and seek with Titi Angie. Minnie, let's go and find other Angies. Happily went inside. Receptionist stopped him. Hey, where are you going? Stop right there. Jimin looked at her. What happened, Nona? Why did you stop Minnie? Receptionist. Kids aren't allowed here. Jimin, Utti. Again started walking. Receptionist held his hand. Where are you going? I told you na, kids aren't allowed here. Can't you listen at once? Jimin, yeah, Minnie listened to everything. Nuna said kids aren't allowed, but Minnie is a big boy, na. Minnie isn't a kid, so Minnie can go outside. Okay, now leave Minnie's hand. Receptionist, super irritated. What Minnie are you saying? I told you na, you aren't allowed here. Get lost from here before I will throw you outside. Jimin shouts, Wait, how dare you to talk with Minnie like this? It's Minnie's company. How can you throw Minnie outside? Leave Minnie's hand, otherwise Minnie will bite you. Receptionist pushed him hard. Oh, poor boy fell. Jimin fell on the ground. Ah! Receptionist went on his level. This is your place, don't forget it. Stop dreaming about owning the company. Harshly grabbed his arm and made him stand and then again pushed him. Jimin screamed, Ah! Quickly held him. Minnie, baby, are you fine? Jimin looked up. Titi Angi hugged him tightly. Yes, your Titi Angi is here. Don't cry. Hugged him tightly. Cook, furious eyes. How dare you to push him? Receptionist, sir, why are you getting angry over this cheap boy? Cook held his jaw and pinned him near the wall. My Hang taught me to respect everyone, otherwise I will pull your tongue for this. Harshly left his jaw. You are fired. If you want your betterment, then don't show your face to me again. Now get lost. Receptionist dropped on his knees. Sir, please don't do this. Cook shouted, Security! Guardman came inside. Yes, sir. Cook threw her outside and make sure he never come here again. Guardman, sure, sir. Cook went to Jimin, who was hugging Tea tightly. Minnie, are you fine? See, your Cookie Hangi threw her outside. Come to your Cookie Hangi. Jimin hugged him tightly. Cookie Hangi, she called Minnie a cheap boy. Cook, she is a dumb, don't pay attention on her. Our Minnie is the prince and prince never care about these small things. Jimin, oh yeah, Minnie is the prince and prince is so strong. T smiled to hear him. Yeah, of course. Jimin ran somewhere while shouting, Prince Minnie is here, Hangi. Cook, T, stop him. Yangs are busy in very important meeting. Jimin happily entered inside the conference room while shouting and jumping. He never came to company before, so no one knows about his real identity. He is totally unaware of his Yang's professions. Jimin shouts, Yangi, Minnie is here, said happily. Everyone was discussing over very important topic. Hearing Jimin shout, everyone looked at him. Yangs got shocked to see him here. June, who are you? How do you come here? Jimin, yeah. T hurriedly came inside and covered his mouth. He's my younger brother, sir. He unknowingly came here by searching me. Port 90 degree. Really sorry, sir. June, grinding his teeth. I will talk to you after some times. Now take him outside. T, sorry, sir. Again bored and left with Minnie. Time skipped after some time. Cook was sitting on the couch and waiting for everyone to come in Jin's cabin. Soon everyone started coming inside the cabin. Name Kim Shikojin, age 26 years old, profession Mafia King. Name Kim Yoongi, age 24 years old, profession sharpshooter. Name Kim Ho-seok, age 22 years old, profession Mafia King secretary. Name Kim Namjoon, age 20 years old, profession hacker and mastermind. Name Kim Taeyang, age 18 years old, profession student and attorney. Name Kim Jongkook, twin of T, age 18 years old, profession student. Name Kim Jimin, age 15 years old, profession student. They all are real brothers, but no one knows about this because of their safety. Everyone knows Jungkook is Jin's younger brother and he holds the authority to take any decision on behalf of Jin. He wasn't interested in Mafia's things but often come to company, that's why everyone knows him. Jin, Minnie, baby, where are you? Hobie looked here and there. Minnie, where did you go? Yoongi looked at Cook. Where is he? Cook pointed his finger on Jin's table. There. He is super angry, said in whispering tone. They all went near Jin's table and saw Jimin was sitting under the table with big angry pout. Hobie lovingly, Minnie, why are you sitting here? Come outside. Jimin looked at him and turned his face to the side. Jin, so are Minnie so angry. He doesn't want to talk with us, Yoongi, but why did Minnie is angry from us? What did we do? Everyone tried to talk with him, but being the stubborn kid, he didn't say a single word. June carefully picked him in his arms and made him sit on the table, whereas Jimin was wiggling in his hold. Jimin shouts, "Leave Minnie! You all are Minnie! Minnie doesn't want to talk with anyone!" June, "Don't shout, Minnie! One day you will make all of us deaf!" Jimin shouts his lungs out, "Ah!" Yoongi quickly covered his mouth. "T, Cook, what happened? Why is it this much angry?" T, "Because of June Hyang." June, super shocked, "Because of me?" Hobie looked at him. "June, now what did you do?" June, "I myself don't know what did I do, then how will I can tell to you?" Jin, "T, Cook, tell us everything, what happened?" T, "I will tell you everything. He is super angry on June Hyang because in the confession room he told him who is he and tell him to go outside. Cook, and after coming from there he was sitting under the table with big angry pout. He didn't talk with anyone." June, "Oh, for that, Hyang is sorry, baby. You directly came to the confession room without informing us. We were busy in very important meeting now. No one knows you. That's why I asked you who is you and told you to go outside." Jimin looked at him side eyes. "Are you saying the truth?" June, "Of course, I'm saying the truth. When did I lie to Minnie?" Jimin, "Okay, Minnie forgives you, Nihangi." Hobie, "But why did you come here?" Jimin, "You all are always busy in your work. From past few days we didn't eat our dinner together, so Minnie thought to bring your lunch here and eat together, but Nihangi scolded Minnie." T, "And he scolded poor Titi too." June looked at T. "Shut up, you brat." T, "See, he said Titi to shut up, you brat too." Jimin, "Yeah, no one can insult Minnie's Titi Yangi except Minnie." Yoongi, Okay, now stop fighting and start eating our lunch. I'm very hungry." With that, everyone happily started eating their lunch together. Jimin was missing this so much. Jimin, "Minnie brought cookies for everyone. Minnie baked it with the help of Titi Yangi." Opened the small bag which he was holding since he came here, but after seeing the cookies, his heart broke. Yoongi, "What happened, Minnie? Why did your face turn down?" Jimin showed him the box. "All the cookies broke," said with teary eyes. Jin hugged him tightly. "It's okay, Minnie. We will eat broken cookies." Hobie, "But how did it break?" T, "I think when she pushed him, then it might be happened." June, furious eyes, "What? Who doesn't want to live long? Who dared to push out Minnie?" Jimin held his hand. "Receptionist Nuna called Minnie a cheap boy and pushed Minnie too." Hobie, "What? Wait, let me handle her." Jimin, "Cookie Yangi already fired her." Hobie, "Yangi, don't be angry. Minnie is a prince now and prince is so strong. Leave it and eat broken cookies." Jimin was happily roaming inside the company with T. Cook. He was amazed to see the interior. Right now he was playing with the lift. He went to the lift and went to ground floor, then again took another lift and came to top floor. He was on the ground floor where his cook was on top floor and keeping their eyes on him. He was having so much fun. Suddenly a man came inside the lift and looked lustfully to Jimin. Jimin was as usual playing with lift's button. He didn't pay attention on that man. Suddenly that man placed his hand on Jimin's hand and started rubbing it. Jimin didn't feel good, so he removed his hand and said. Jimin angrily looked at him. "Why are you touching Minnie?" Man held his face tightly. "Because Minnie is so soft and cuddly. I wanna taste Minnie." Tried to touch Jimin's lips, but he bite. "Ah, you little boy!" slapped him. "I was thinking to take you softly, but I think you don't want it. It's okay. I know very well how to tame you." Jimin, "You are doing the biggest mistake of your life. Minnie's Yangi won't leave you." Men started unbuttoning his shirt. "First I will handle you, then your Yangi's." Jimin kicked him harshly and released himself and pressed the button of the lift. Luckily lift opened and he ran outside. Man was following him. Jimin saw Yoongi. "Yoongi Yangi!" Hurriedly hugged him tightly. Yoongi looked at him and quickly removed his blazer and made him wear. Minnie, what happened to you? Saw the fingerprints on his cheek. Who did this? Said while grinding his teeth. Jimin hugged him tightly and started crying. A man was touching Minnie and he slapped Minnie too. He was saying he will take Minnie. Jin ran there. Minnie, what happened, baby? Yoongi angrily shouts, Tea, Cook, June, Hobby. I want that man here in next 2 minutes. Who dare to touch our precious prince? Yunjin took Jim into Jin's cabin. Everyone started finding him with furious eyes. It won't take them much time to find him, and they take him inside Jin's cabin. Yoongi looked at him. So it's you who dare to touch our baby, and that too in our company. Man dropped on his knees. I'm sorry, sir. I didn't know he's your brother. Otherwise, I never looked at him. Please let me go this time, please. Jin, it doesn't matter he's a brother or not. You dare to touch an innocent soul by your nasty hands is the biggest sin. T, show us your power on him. Let us know how much you learned from your training. June, stay with him. Everyone, let's go home. With that, everyone left from there with Minnie. They did his work perfectly. June was impressed to see him. They didn't him, but he wasn't alive at all. Jimin took few days to come back in his real self. Everyone gave him so much love and started teaching himself self-defense techniques too, so that he doesn't need anyone to protect himself. Learn some self-defense techniques to protect yourself. No one comes to protect your dignity. The end. Author's note. That's it for today. Hope you all like it. It was requested by 2 readers. I joined their ideas together because that was similar. I hope I didn't disappoint you. Learning self-defense is very important for nowadays. People are falling in their cheapest level and there is no humanity left. So expecting from anyone to protect you is the biggest foolishness. Only you can protect yourself, so be aware and speak against wrong. We will meet soon with new story. Till then, take care of yourself. Love you all. If you like this story, then please do like, subscribe, share and comment. I assure you that you will never gonna regret on your decision. Thanks for watching.